we're going to have a water fight. Well, not really a water fight because we're not throwing it at each other.
It's almost 6 o'clock and
She's to leave soon, so we're bored.
it's almost 6 o'clock and it's cold outside.
Okay, we're gonna throw one. You guys are gonna watch, okay? Yeah, you're good.
Okay, you didn't see it? My turn. I get to throw the big one.
Let's see, go closer a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna throw this one at each other. Let's go.
I'm actually trying to hit each other now.
Okay.
Wait, I have to get one too.
Wait, don't.
Oh, no, that's the fun of it.
We're gonna hit each other now. Wait, yeah. I have two little ones left. This is big.
Wait, no. Now I have to go get more, sorry.
Wait, no.
There's water in here.
Hi, people. Ow! She just hit me. Wait, why isn't it working? It's not wet.
You guys don't
Want a bed? I can see water on it here.